Okay, so in this class we can able to see about what are the different types of data structures which is available. So first one, we can able to have a linear data structures. So what is the meaning of a linear data structure? Means it is nothing but an which elements is usually used to arrange in a sequentially manner or in a linear manner. So here by having this difference in a sequential and linear, the elements can able to attach to the previous or next adjacent element. So here we can able to have the adjustment. So if the element is coming between two different types, so based on their types it can able to have a attachment with the either previous or a next adjustment elements, right? So this one is called as a linear data structure. So if you want to know about an examples of a linear data structure, means of a arrays, stacks, queues, linked lists. So these are the different types of data where we can able to give the as an example for a linear data. Okay, next we can able to see about a static data structure. So what is meant by a static data structure? Means a static data structure has a fixed memory size, so it is easier to access the elements in a static data structure. So here static means always a constant, so here we cannot able to change over a period of time. So this is a static data structure means so we can able to have a fixed memory size. So we can able to have an surety of how much data it can able to hold. Okay, so that if we, since it is being an fixed, we can able to have an easy access of the elements in a static data structures. So if you want to know about examples of this and data structure, means it is nothing but an array is an example to hold the static data structures. Next one, dynamic data structures. So dynamic means so we can able to have a change over a period of a time. So that is a data structure. If the size is not fixed, it can be randomly updated during a runtime, which may be considered efficient concerning the memory space complexities of the code. So here in this dynamic data structures, we cannot able to fix a particular size, so it can be randomly updated. So based on the program on the execution time, we can able to change the size, so based on the runtime process. So here we can able to give the examples of queue and stacks are the most examples for this type of dynamic data structures. So next type is a non-linear data structures. So here non-linear data structure means, so here in this non-linear data structure, so we are not able to place the data either sequentially or linearly arranged data. So these type of non-arrangement of data, so where we cannot able to place either in sequentially or in linear types of data is called as a non-linear data structure. In a non-linear data structures, we cannot able to transfer all the elements in a single run only. So since it is not being an arranged, so we cannot able to arrange transfers all the elements which is available in a single run only. So suppose if you want to know the examples of this non-linear structure, means we can able to consider the trees and graphs. Next one, so let us see about that. What is the need of a data structure? So why we need to approach a data structure? So what is the specifications of using this data structures? So let me see. So here the structure of the data and the synthesis of the algorithms are related to each other. So here, so we need to follow the structures of the data. So in what type the data should be saved, so and what will be the meaning of those data. So we have to see each other. So these should be related to each other. Next one, so data representing must be easy to understand to the developers. So here, so data representing means, so when we are seeing a program, so it should be very easy. If it is easy to understand only for the developers, it is easy as well as for the users. The one who is developing the program is called as a developer. The one who is using the program, as after the developer has developed the program, the one who is using the program is called as a user. So it is an efficient implementations of the operations. So as of this point, they are coming to tell that so data percentage they have to be easily understood. What is the information which is able to given by the developer, and what is the information where we can able to understand by the user. So these are the need of the data structures, right? Okay, so as we have given on already this point, so here data structure is used to provide the easy way of organizing retrieving, managing, storing. So organizing means how which data should come first and how it will be an efficient use. This type of a data is called as an organizing. Retrieving, once we have stored the data, so when we are in a need of a particular data, we can be able to easily retrieve those data and we can able to manage. So here what is the time to use and which type of data, so we can able to use it. So that is called as in managing. So here next one, we can able to store all the types of data. Okay, so here we have a list of needs for the data. So next one, we can able to use to modify the data structures easily. So it requires only a less time. So we can able to save the storage, memory, space. Here it can able to represents the data in an easy manner. It can able to have an easy access to a large database. So database, it's a collections of a useful information is called as a database.